Oh!
All right, guys, we are here with another very exciting You Make It, We
What's the wrist?
Skate It. Okay, let's see what this says. It says YMIWSI. You Make It, We Skate It. Face, built by JD and Dad, Justin Daniels. Just kidding. There's no S. It's Justin Daniel. Father Son Edition. You make it, we skate it. You make it, we skate it. You make it. Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Oh!
Justin Daniel punches Aaron in the face.
Oh my gosh!
Oh, there's a letter.
You make it, we skate it. Braille Ohana. Ohana means family. Since you win surf, thought this would be cool to make a skateboard shaped as a surfboard. As you know, you don't wear shoes when surfing, so in this challenge, you will use surf wax as grip tape, and you have to do 2 tricks barefoot before you can use your shoes. Good luck. Chee-hoo! From Tim the Toolman Taylor.
How was that?
That's how you say it in Hawaiian. How's it, everyone? We're gonna open this up.
There's a surfboard in there.
You know, I went on Craigslist the other day and I saw it. Oh, wow. Oh, yeah, this is sick.
Whoa!
Wow!
Wow, that's epic.
That's a surfboard.
Was this
shape?
homemade?
That's a surfboard
How
shape.
did you make this?
It's called You Make It, We Skate It, Mo!
That's
Look
epic.
at art. Surfboards
Wow.
are shaped like this.
Can we just hang it up and not skate?
You gotta get a
Can I
Danny
hang up my
Origins,
room?
because he used to do that in Hawaii.
That's beautiful.
That was his job.
Danny Origins, mate. You ready to film your origins? Okay.
Oh, wait, there's more in the box.
Surf wax? That's the grip.
Leave it in the comments below if you ever thought surf wax was skate wax, waxed the rail, tried to grind it, and it stuck badly.
I've actually done that.
Shut up. First of all, I understand you because you grew up in Australia. But you,
No. If
You grew up in Brentwood.
If anything, you should absolutely understand why Uzi would make that confusing.
I know, but you don't even sell surf wax
The
in
shop
Brentwood.
by my house it was like a surf skate something else.
So you're telling me if I wax that rail right now, it
Do
won't
it.
work?
Yeah, do it.
Wow, you're gonna ruin the rail.
You think that's good? For a board slide?
Yeah.
All right. What do you think's gonna happen?
You're gonna grind?
Wait, 50-50 or board slide? Board slide?
Board side.
Oh!
Oh! Bezos! Wow.
Dang, disproven. Wax on snowboards makes it more slippery. Wax on skateboards makes it more slippery. Wax on surfboards makes it sticky. Are we meant to wax this, then skate it with no feet? I mean,
With no feet? Hey, that's the last video.
no shoes. And then we're gonna grip tape it afterwards? Like this?
Yeah.
Just like go.
As much as you can.
Just go cake it
What
on
do you
there.
mean just go? Like this?
As caked on as you can.
Faster? How about like this? Is that good?
Push down as hard as you can. So it like
Ricky is judging.
He's judging me.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, mate!
Yeah.
Oh,
Wow.
Get that! I wanna get
Wax
that
it
stuff.
up.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh, everyone, hold your breath. Hold your breath. Oh.
It smells good. And then I was like, why do Aaron's feet smell good?
Why do
Hot
they
in
smell
4K.
good? My feet smell fine. Just a little black sock smudge.
Oh man, that is really sticky. We're going surfing, right?
There's a couple rules I have in skateboarding. Always wear shoes, and it's pretty much the only rule.
It's lucky that we're going surfing today. And now we got the leash.
Car surfing. Should we go car surfing? Wax on, wax off. You ever go surfing, Justin Daniel?
I would have gone surfing till I watched this top 10 shark attacks video on YouTube the other day.
I mean, in all fairness, we did get in the water in shark-infested great white water. And you know how many sharks we saw? None!
We did see that one seal though.
It's all whale.
Okay, I guess we need some trucks.
What does surf wax feel like? Oh, I don't like that.
Okay, bruh. Surf's up, bruh.
Leg rope, brother. Smells like surfing.
Wow. Look at him go. He's flowing.
One trick, 2 tricks.
Oh!
Ow!
Heel flip.
Ouch!
Oh! I think you legit can kickflip.
5-stair? No. Who can kickflip this with no shoes on? Rick? With no shoes. Do not do that. Do not.
All right, Mo, you're up. Dang. Dang, good pop. That thing bleeding.
That thing's dirty, man.
Oh! How'd that feel?
Not that bad.
Oh.
If it was grip tape, I'm gone.
Oh! Oh! All right, look at how dirty it already got.
Oh, dude, imagine in 10 minutes, thing's gonna be a dust bowl.
Can I just say, last time we had the board, Aaron wasn't with us. Everyone's, oh, Rick, you're disgusting. Feet up, feet up, feet up. Aaron gets his feet out. Now we're all doing it. We're all living, brother. I like this. Much better this time.
I like having my shoes
Now,
on.
can you get yours out, Gabe?
No, absolutely not.
Why? Look, how good would the bare feet look on this?
They would
these
not look
Jetson
good at all.
things?
I've done it before at home. JD, no! Put gloves on, JD! Dang, that's a good coating right there. Instead of having a wax, why don't they just make like a special non-abrasive grip tape for surfboards?
This is good when it gets wet. It like kind of makes it more grippy.
Yeah. No! Oh! You have to bump the bar?
All right.
Oh! Oh! Oh no!
Primos.
Oh!
Anybody else want that?
Tangled up my leg rope, Gabe.
It's looking a little bit dirty.
Aaron, could you say that you're making waves at the skate park?
Finally, for once, we're making waves at the skate park.
His instinct saved it.
I had to hurt the ankle.
The ankle? Gabe, this is how you do it in surfing. Whoa! That was pretty sick.
He got pitted.
Oh, my shoulders hurt. Let me purposely bail onto my shoulder.
When normal people surf, they're afraid of sharks. When Ricky surfs, the sharks are afraid of him.
You know what Ricky's scared of, though? Saltwater crocodiles. Saltwater crocodiles and power tools.
Which one is scarier to you, Rick?
Power tools.
Don't throw that towards me.
Oh, the ground is freezing. Oh, I need more speed.
Wow.
Wait, I know.
Whoa! Oh! I feel like I need to take a shower.
I know, right? In the ocean.
Toe jam.
Ran up those stairs with no shoes on. That's Splinter City.
That is.
That's 20 stairs
All
of
up
wood.
there.
No, bad boy.
Oh! Watch that honeycomb! Watch the honeycomb!
That is amazing.
Ow! Ow! Oh no! Oh! Oh my gosh! Look at the bottom of your feet, Rick.
Look at those toes, though,
you
Gabe.
see?
Those toes are like longer than my entire foot.
Oh!
Slippery with the wax. I think so. I mean, compared to grip tape, yeah. I got you. You can counteract the weight on the deck. Mahalo! Ohana means family. Family means no one left behind. Let's go to Hawaii.
Please. Please. We gotta film a video at that Jason Park spot.
Narrow ledge challenge.
Do you believe?
I've been bested.
Do you believe?
The board championed me.
Aaron! What are you doing? You're not even trying.
Faking it. All right, this one's for Glow. It's because of the surf whack. He's throwing me off. The surf out here is flat, bro. The waves are glassy. This is the hardest kickflip in the world. That don't count. Run it back. I'm about 3 tries away from rage quitting. Let's try 1! All right, I got something for this board. Take over. What's from them?
What are you getting?
I'm in a Braille video? What you talking about, man?
Got him.
Actually, these are good. This is what we should be using for the glass board.
What'd he say?
He said if Braille's watching, make sure they hit the donut button right here.
Yeah, scrape it all off, yeah?
I don't know.
It's kind of gross at times.
Yeah, now we're shredding. Yeah, it does need the riser in the back though.
Whoa!
Yeah. Here, JD, give it a roll.
Whoa! Whoa!
The original, so.
Ricky with no shoes on the ripstick and then I'm on this. Roll it to the skate park with the homies. Dang it, JD!
Oh!
Bodied. Yeah! You like the surf adapter?
Okay, he just did that right in front of you to flex on you, Aaron.
I know, kids these days.
Hey, put some damn shoes on.
All right, well, I'd like to thank JD and JD's dad for building this incredible skateboard. You guys are the absolute best. If you have anything, any idea for you Make It We Skate It, any board that you're gonna make and send it to us to skate it, email us, skateit@brailleskateboarding.com. We will check the email, we will see what your board is, and we may skate that board. You guys are the absolute best. Hope you enjoyed this video. Check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, learn how to ride a skateboard. Get Braille Army Plus. It is the absolute best way to learn how to skateboard. Link in that description below. Let's go!